Hello, welcome everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, last time in our series of GCSEs, we have done expanding the brackets. Well, I have cleared how to expand the single bracket, how to expand the double bracket, and how to expand the triple brackets. Now, today we are doing the worksheet of triple brackets. Well, we are doing two worksheets, one in which you will find single and double brackets, and here we are doing the triple brackets. So let me start with the first question, which is expand the following triple bracket. Well, as I explained you in the theory, as you have to pick two at a time. So any two brackets you have to pick and solve it. And it would be better if you place them inside the big bracket and x plus 3 will be outside. Solving, only focus on this one. So solving this one, I'll get x squared. So how we solve this double brackets? It's you have to multiply every term of the first bracket with every term of the second bracket. So I am doing x times x plus 2, that is the first term of the first bracket. I am multiplying with the second bracket, plus 1 times x plus 2. This whole will be in the big bracket, x plus 3. Now, just expand. Now what I have done, if you have seen the process, it's basically we are splitting the triple brackets into double bracket first and then double bracket into single bracket. And this is how we are expanding, or we are basically splitting them. Now it's single bracket, and how we solve a single bracket? It's by multiplying whatever be the outside the bracket with every term inside the bracket. So x times x is x squared, x times 2 is 2x, plus 1 times x is x, and 1 times 2 is 2. And this will be inside the big bracket, and outside is x plus 3. On simplifying, we'll get x squared, 2x plus x is 3x plus 2, and this will be x plus 3. Now, obviously, what we will be doing, we will be multiplying every term of this one bracket with other bracket, like with every term of the other bracket. We can write it like this. I'm writing it up there, x plus 3. I have just rearranged it, x squared plus 3x plus 2. Now x times x squared plus 3x plus 2 plus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus 2. So I am simplifying it here, which is x cubed. What I'm doing, I'm just multiplying every term with the term inside the bracket. So x times x squared is x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus, now 3 times x squared, 3x squared plus 3x squared. 3x times x is 3x times x is 9x plus 6. And finally, simplifying all of them together, it will be x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x squared, which is 6x squared. 9x plus 2x is 11x plus 6. This is final answer. Moving on to the next question. It's 2 times x minus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 3, and we have to do exactly the same thing. That means taking two terms at a time. So I am picking these two at a time. So 2 and put them inside the big bracket. So x minus 1 times x minus 2. And then it will be x plus 3. X minus 3 would be outside. So only focus on solving the bracket, the big bracket. So x times x minus 2 minus 1 times x minus 2. 2, and here it will be x minus 3. Now simplifying the big bracket, I'll get 2 x times x is x squared. X times minus 2x is minus 2x. Minus 1 times x is minus x. And minus 1 times minus 2 is plus 2. And this is x minus 3. 2 times x squared. Now minus 2x and minus x is minus 3x. Plus 2. X minus 3. Now I'm just rearranging it. As I told you in my theory lecture as well, it's not necessary to swap it, but for the simplification of the question, I am doing this. So this will be x squared minus 3x plus 2. And now we are multiplying every term of our first bracket with every term of our second bracket. So x times x squared minus 3x plus 2 minus 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 2. And 2 will be outside. So let me just write it like this. So solving what's there inside the bracket, it's x times x squared is x cubed. X times minus 3x is minus 3x squared. X times 2 is plus 2x. Minus 3 times x squared is minus 3x squared. Minus 3 times minus 3x is plus 9x. Minus 3 times 2 is minus 9. Simplifying what's there inside the bracket, it will be x cubed minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 9. And finally multiplying each term by 2, I'll get 2x cubed minus 12x squared plus 22x minus 18. And that's your final answer. Moving on to the next one, which is same. We are just putting 2 outside, and x minus 1 times x plus 2 will be inside this big bracket, and x minus 3 would be here. Solving what's there inside the bracket, we'll get x times x plus 2 minus 1, like this term with x plus 2. Now this term with x plus 2 I'm multiplying. So minus 1 times x plus 2. X minus 3, 2. Now solving what's there inside the big bracket. So 2 times x squared plus 2x minus x. So minus 1 times x and minus 1 times 2. So minus x minus 2. This will be x minus 3. So 2 times x squared, 2x minus x is just x minus 2. And it will be x plus x minus 3. Now I'm just rearranging it. X minus 3 times x squared plus x minus 2, and 2 is outside. Now we just need to expand it. So this x I'm multiplying with x squared plus x minus 2 minus 3 times x squared plus x minus 2, and this whole is inside the big bracket as 2 is outside. Let me simplify what's there inside the bracket. So 2 times x times x squared is x cubed. X times x is x squared. X times minus 2 is minus 2x. Minus 3 times x squared is minus 3x squared. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x. And minus 3 times minus 2 is plus 6. And now I need to simplify what's there inside the big bracket. So 2 times x cubed. X squared minus 3x squared is minus 2x squared. Minus 2x and minus 3x is minus 5x. And minus 2x and just plus 6 as simple. And finally, multiplying every term with 2, my final answer is 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 10x plus 12. Moving on to the next question. So doing same here, 2 times x plus 1 times x minus 1 and x plus 3 will be outside. So now 2 times, well, this is an expansion which is a direct formula. There a shortcut whenever you are multiplying x plus y times x minus y. That means the variables numbers, they both are same but are separated by different operators. One is plus and one is minus. Always one has to be a plus operator and one has to be a minus operator, whereas x and y are same. So when you expand this, it will directly give you x squared minus y squared. That means x plus y times x minus 1 will give you x squared minus 1 squared. And that's the direct expansion. So here we have x plus 3. Now 2 is outside. X squared times x plus 3 and minus square 1 square is 1 times x plus 3. And now I need to expand it. X cubed plus 3x squared minus x minus 3. So 2x cubed plus 2 times 3, 6x squared. 2 times minus x is minus 2x. And 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. So this will be our final answer as we cannot simplify it further. So it's the end of this video, but in another video I'll be continuing this worksheet. So if you want to enroll yourself for group or one-on-one classes for GCSEs, or even if you are preparing for intermediate mathematical challenge, I am doing the classes for that as well. The classes are, whether it's for GCSE or for IMC, it's just 6 pounds per hour. So if you need for any subject for GCSE or even from year 1 to year 13, if you need classes for any subject, just drop us an email at exactacademy@gmail.com. So that's it for today. Thank you. Have a great day.